One of our weather broadcasters, Emily Vukovic, was yesterday in the city of Milton baking cookies inside her vehicle. And I'm not sure how they tasted, but I'm sure they were pretty hot, and it was hot enough inside a car, warmer than the outdoors. Of course, you get that baking solar radiation inside of the car. It was about 32 degrees yesterday in Milton, and it looks like they were perfectly ready to eat. Now, for today, the Humidex advisory has still been in place from Windsor down towards the Greater Toronto region, extending towards Kingston, Ottawa, in through Cottage Country, Sudbury, and Sault Ste. Marie. I mean, a lot of key areas are inundated by those southwest winds and the very tropical air mass and temperatures that are feeling closer to the 40s. Now, for Thursday afternoon, it's still hot again. A number of cities across the province of Ontario have already reached heat wave criteria, and what that means is temperatures at 32 degrees or above for 3 consecutive days. So a lot of areas in the heat wave or will approach that today. Alerted that that's something that you definitely should not do because, again, as I mentioned, inside the car, it just gets a lot warmer than outside. Weather-wise, what we have coming is a big change. Not on Thursday. Thursday, in fact, is still going to be really hot and humid, but we do have this moisture that's being picked up right here by our models. That's going to bring us some chance for convective thunderstorms. So heavy downpours coming down really quickly. One neighborhood might see it, the other not. And then Friday, this cold front bringing severe thunderstorms and cooling our temperatures by the weekend. And as you know, it was very hot and humid today, really sticky, reaching over 32 degrees in a few areas across southern Ontario. Here's the Humidex advisory that's still in place, which extends all the way up to Sudbury and Sault Ste. Marie. This indicates that it feels closer to about 40 when you factor in the humidity today. Through to Thursday afternoon, we still have that very hot, humid, sticky air mass in place. Southwest winds all across the region. Toronto getting up to 31, Oshawa 31, Newmarket 31 as well. But note that it's going to feel closer to about the 40, 42 mark across the area again. So I anticipate the Humidex advisory will still be in play for Thursday. Let's take you to this scene. Very nice sitting outside today. Sometimes you're sweating without even moving. It's so hot. Here's what's happening weather-wise for the next couple of days, and there is a big game changer happening. Through to Thursday, we have the potential for some convective thunderstorms, and that means that the air mass gets really hot, rises, and it could produce some locally heavy downpours in some areas. It's starting to be picked up in the afternoon hours around Toronto, towards Hamilton, Cottage Country, and all the way towards Sault Ste. Marie. So that's Thursday. The big change happens on Friday along this blue line. Now, it's Friday morning where it's around Wawa, Timmins, and Kapuskasing, but by the afternoon on Friday, it's going to swing south towards southern Ontario, and that's going to bring the risk for severe thunderstorms. Some of these could be very strong winds, heavy downpours, and we're always looking for the risk of tornadic activity too. So that's Friday, 31 in Toronto, a cool down for Saturday, Sunday the high, 22.
Deal.
Here's how Thursday looks. If you're traveling stateside along the eastern seaboard, we do see a chance of showers and thunderstorms in Boston. Same story around Miami, New York, a mix of sun and cloud, 34 degrees. Towards Atlanta, 32. Chicago, hot, 33 degrees. And Las Vegas, dry, 42 and sunny all day. Maybe you're traveling towards Europe on Thursday. Well, Rome's getting up to 33 degrees. Geneva, 29 with a chance of some showers. Amsterdam, 25 degrees. And for Nice, 27 with overcast conditions.